Welcome to Compare to Win. The best whiskey is probably one of the most versatile and celebrated spirits in the world, offering a vast spectrum of flavors and aromas that cater to every palate, from the smooth, mellow notes of a fine Scotch to the bold, robust character of a Kentucky Bourbon, making it a perfect choice for both seasoned connoisseurs and curious newcomers alike. Number 5. Margaritaville Singles To Go Drink Mix Variety Pack. Escape to paradise with our exciting variety pack. Enjoy 4 delicious, tropical flavors that bring the vacation vibes right to your glass. Dive into Caribbean fruit punch, creamy pina colada, sweet strawberry daiquiri, and zesty margarita. Each sip is a mini getaway. Perfect for on-the-go refreshment, these single servings make it easy to enjoy a flavorful drink anywhere. Just add water and stir. With 40 single servings in every box, you'll have plenty of your favorite tropical tastes to share. It's the perfect way to stay hydrated and happy. Bring the fun of Margaritaville to your day. It's the easiest way to enjoy a refreshing, flavorful beverage without the fuss. What we like. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to enjoy a tropical escape, this is for you. It offers a variety of classic cocktail flavors in convenient single-serving packets. If you want to bring the party wherever you go without the hassle of mixing, consider this. What people say. These taste like the real thing, obviously without the alcohol. They mix easy and they were perfect for what I needed. These are delicious. Love the variety of flavors, and all were excellent. Number 4. Margaritaville Singles To Go Drink Mix Summer Variety Pack. Get ready for the ultimate summer experience. This variety pack brings the party to you, no matter where you are. Savor the tropical flavors of strawberry daiquiri and pina colada. They're like a vacation in a glass. Enjoy the timeless taste of a classic margarita. It's the perfect way to unwind and relax. Discover even more exciting flavors with this pack. There's a perfect drink for every mood and occasion. Simply add water and stir for instant refreshment. Enjoy delicious, authentic tasting cocktails anytime, anywhere. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a beach day, these drink mixes are your go-to for summer fun. They're convenient and always a crowd pleaser. What we like. For those who love variety and convenience, this pack is a great choice. It bundles 4 of the most popular summer cocktail flavors into one convenient package. If you're planning a beach day or a picnic and want a selection of refreshing drinks, this is ideal. What people say. I love you can use them and add other flavors to make some yummy tropical drinks. I love that they're easy to use and you can take them with you whenever you go. I was pleasantly surprised by the flavors of these drink mixes. Now I will try them over ice and a shot of alcohol. Number 3. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist and create unique, flavored spirits right at home. Our kit makes it easy to infuse your favorite alcohol with natural ingredients. Explore a world of flavor with 12 carefully selected natural infusion materials. You can craft countless delicious combinations to suit your personal taste. The possibilities are endless. Craft a distinctive spirit with a single ingredient or blend multiple for complex, signature flavors. We even provide beginner-friendly recipe suggestions. Wow your friends and family with expertly crafted infused spirits and cocktails. Serve up unique drinks they won't find anywhere else. Go beyond the ordinary and discover exciting new flavor profiles. Create infusions that are uniquely yours and unavailable in any store. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit comes in a beautiful package, making it an ideal present for anniversaries, birthdays, or any celebration. Plus, key components are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like. If you're a home bartender or a spirit enthusiast who loves to experiment, this kit is perfect. It allows you to create your own unique flavored spirits using natural ingredients. If you enjoy crafting personalized cocktails and impressing guests with your creations, you should definitely consider this. What people say. This is a great product for parties and gatherings, it's easy to use and serves multiple people at once. The design is sleek and modern, it looks good on any countertop and is a real conversation starter. It's very efficient and cools drinks quickly, perfect for when you have unexpected guests. Number 2. Funwares 6-ounce Beverage Dispenser. Introducing the Funwares 6-ounce Beverage Dispenser, designed for adult fun. Get ready to launch a focused stream of your favorite beverage with surprising precision. Our unique twist-lock chamber ensures a secure, mess-free experience. Enjoy your drinks without any drips or waste, even when on the go. Crafted from 100% food-safe, BPA-free materials, it guarantees no contamination. Your beverage's taste and quality are preserved, and it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. This compact and lightweight dispenser is perfect for any occasion. Easily transport it and surprise your friends with a moment of fun anytime, anywhere. Looking for a unique gift? It's ideal for white elephant exchanges, birthdays, or BBQs. It's the unexpected hit that will get everyone talking and laughing. What we like. This is for anyone who loves interactive fun at parties and gatherings. It's designed to add an element of surprise and excitement to your event by launching beverages. If you're looking for a unique party starter that's also safe and easy to use, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Power is harder than I thought, but great value for the money. Fun function shotgun. Very little leaking if you pump it right. Works good, seems to have a powerful stream, shoots pretty far so you don't have to pump it a lot. 1 or 2 pumps and it shoots a shot into someone's mouth. High velocity beverage delivery system. Does the job. Be prepared for back of the throat instant hydration. Number 1. Java House Cold Brew Espresso Martini Pods. Introducing the Java House Cold Brew Espresso Martini Pods. Experience the rich, smooth taste of premium 100% Arabica cold brew concentrate, infused with delightful French vanilla notes. Crafted from the finest Arabica beans, our concentrate delivers an exceptionally smooth coffee flavor. It's the perfect base for your sophisticated cocktail. Savor the subtle yet distinct French vanilla notes that perfectly complement the deep coffee flavor. It adds a touch of elegance to every sip. Making a delicious espresso martini has never been easier. Simply peel open a pod and pour for a perfectly balanced drink every time. Each 6-pack of pods is designed to make up to 12 incredible cocktails. Enjoy premium bar-quality drinks in the comfort of your home. Elevate your home entertaining or enjoy a personal treat with this convenient and delicious solution. It's the ultimate way to enjoy an espresso martini. What we like. If you're a fan of espresso martinis and appreciate convenience, these pods are a game changer. They provide a smooth, premium cold brew concentrate with delightful vanilla notes, making cocktail preparation effortless. If you want to enjoy bar-quality espresso martinis at home with minimal effort, you should choose this. What people say. Java House Coffee offers a rich and smooth flavor profile. The cold brew process brings out a natural sweetness and reduces the acidity, making it a delightful drink for any time of the day. The coffee pods are incredibly convenient for a quick and easy brew. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.